Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a regular batch of slime with Elmer's glue, baking soda, and eye contact solution. I am very sorry if I don't show the slime a lot, but I'll try to. So first I'm going to add my glue. That's good. Okay, one second. Keep trying to get it out, but it keeps coming back. Okay, that's good. That's it for the glue. And then I was going to add this blue coloring, if it can come out. Back it up fast. Okay. That is how much came out. So I'm going to kind of mix that in. And that's really dark. So I'm just going to add a little bit more glue. Just add a little bit more glue. And then mix it in. It doesn't look better, but I'm looking at like the amounts, measurements. Not out. Okay, this is a little metallic. I don't know if you can see on camera, but it's metallic. And then if I add my eye contact solution, just a little bit of that, and then mix it in. You have to do it in the exact order, but it doesn't matter when you add the color in, but I think it's best when you add it right after you add your glue. And then I have a spoon, and I'm gonna grab some baking soda and like add it into the slime, and then I start mixing. And it may not become anything yet, but I just need to add a little bit more activator. You should try to measure this out, but I don't really use measurements. See, it's kind of coming together. Okay. Did I add too much color? Quick tip, don't add as much color as me. Okay, now it's forming together. There we go. But hey, at least I have a really pretty shade of blue. Still kind of sticky, but it's slimy. It's probably slimy because it is slime. And then, okay, I need to add a little bit more activator. And then that's how you make regular slime. And then you can really use whatever type of color you want. But I found that using it doesn't matter what brand of acrylic paint you use, but I feel using acrylic paint is better than using just regular food dye, because the food dye comes off on your hand. and then the acrylic paint doesn't. And then that's the slime. I'm actually surprised it worked because one of my friends told me if you use like a glittery-ish, metallic-ish color, like paint, it won't work. But I'm surprised it worked. So, bye. See you guys next time.